I will clean out the fridge, make sure that 3 weeks ago leftovers are not just hidden somewhere in the back. Maybe you do that once a month for the deep freezers or once a quarter to make sure, oh, that one thing we tucked back in there didn't just fall behind a shelf or didn't get lost under another container and now it's beyond freezer burn. So I've gone ahead and cleaned that out. I've just refreshed things. That's part of our habits and routines, right? Where like on a daily basis, it's more of I want to make sure all the food gets put away. I want to make sure all the packages that were out for dinner are sealed and put away where they belong. Oh, I noticed that that got put wrong. Let me just put it back on the right shelf.